In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your Instagram account that was suspended. So this is what it looks like when it says your account is suspended, and basically it says 30 days left to disagree with this decision. So if your account is suspended, the very first thing to do is just tap on that disagree with decision button. Now this will walk you through various steps that will make you prove your identity. Basically, it might send a code to your phone number and you have to enter that specific code, or you'll have to say which country you're from, or enter a government ID like a driver's license or a passport. Now you go through these steps and they review it and potentially lift that suspension on your account. But if this doesn't work, then you can go to a web browser and type in Instagram account disabled. Now choose the option that says my Instagram account was disabled, and you can go in here and it says submit this, and basically they will review it for any violations of community guidelines and potentially unsuspend your account. So put yes here if you have a valid government ID, and then in the next page you'll have to enter in your personal details, then upload a photo of that ID. Then you enter that in and hit that send button at the bottom. Now they'll go through this and they'll review your specific account. Then after a bit, it probably takes about 3 to 5 business days for them to get back to you. And hopefully when you hear back from them after a while, they will unsuspend your account. If you have any questions, then leave a comment below and leave a like and subscribe if this helped you out.